Here we are, Rice Terrace.
So the stream is down there.
And this is the village.
That's the valley, but where we are going higher up, higher up.
其他的山景色那边还有。我先进来。
Phil's down there and you are here, and there's the pipes going down, metal pipe. Maddie's still working. Is it heavy? It's okay though. Ooh. Water source is right in that dark hole right there, and here we have PVC pipes, and today we spent a lot of time digging this ditch, and we've got it coming down here. As you see, you can see some water actually already coming through, and it'll go straight into the supply tank and all the way down. So here we are, end of the second day. Didn't take a lot of videos today, but we've got, this is the tank, well, the little house, I guess, for the two pumps. We've got two pipes running down all the way from into the bushes, you know, where we've got our supply tank and the source of the water quite far over. And we've got a head about, I think, 12 meters going down, so we'll have the pumps here. We've got a hole in there, as you can see, that will let you know, the wastewater go through here to also irrigate the rice paddies, which is very convenient. And here we got our, you know, our water source is just this creek further up, and two cars coming down here. Two pumps, and we'll have a plastic NDPE pipe that will lead up to the village. That's trees up there. So here, as you can see, we've got some wooden, which we'll have to put up tomorrow, last day of the project, to make X's to hold up the metal pipes, because when the water starts flowing through them, the pressure will be really hard. Also with the pumps, you know, with the release back, the pressure could break some of the connections, so we'll have to do that. Here, these guys are really helpful, cementing the inside and the bottom. And we'll install the pumps tomorrow. We'll finish the PVC pipes and keep burying them and make stands for all the pipes. Yeah. So this is the plastic pipe that will bring water up to the village. Here we got a pig farm. And over there is where we have the little house for the pumps, and the farmers are still helping us work on it, and we're headed back to Kylie. Here's Phil. And the wasted water will irrigate this field. Here's the village. This is the chief's house, and here's the chief with Phil. And here we are loading up the pumps, going down to the side of the river, and hopefully the water will. Right in front of you there is the school, and hopefully the water will come right to the school's water tank.
可以在这里取水，以后的话就可以把植物有一些步骤这些的付诸可动。
20年不用修，20年不用修。Ready?
Yeah.
Everybody's curious. What's this magic tool?
The magic ball.
Yay.
Yeah.
啪啪啪！
Why Papa?
好，你看，你没看这个就是那个水泵的照片
It's。the sound it makes.
When you go through the air, you get a lift. As the water flows about its curved surface, it causes suction. That's all. What I'm going to show them now is taking the pump completely to this, but they don't need to do this.
I don't understand.
Yeah.
And you tighten up that clip so that it's just so you can just pull it off again, but it's tight enough that it doesn't fall off.
叫你过来，村长。双哪个？
Here we have two filters, both on the two pipes that are going down to the pump in the supply tank. Here we've got water flowing through. The filter is still visible. Water's kind of brown just because we're still digging up there near the water source where Jackie is.
You have to bury the whole pipe?
No, it's just good so the pressure doesn't. Yep, a clean pump chamber. Bill just put them in. I'm getting ready to flush out the pipes.
Flush out the pipes.
Yeah, because there's a lot of dirt in them. We're flushing out the pipes and it's perfect because it irrigates the rice fields. And that's where all the water will flow out. That doesn't get pumped all the way up. There you go. One pump going. So here we have a switch. All the water coming in from the pipes over there. And here's the exhaust water that's like not being sent all the way to the top. I think Bill said about 5%, 6%. That's going all the way to the top to the village. And here's the pressure tank that makes sure that the water doesn't go up in bursts and it's a steady flow. Yeah. Water going out this way through the pipes there. They're prepping the second pump. Here we go, two pumps working. We'll get water at the top in about an hour-ish. So yeah, hopefully we capture that moment as well. So the water arrived a lot faster than I thought it would. I calculated for an hour, but it got here earlier. So here it is.
3 days of work, 2.5 days.
Good flow. That's quite a lot of water.
Yeah, we can.
数开始。
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。
来，我这边。
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、21、22、23、24、25、26、27、28、29、30、31、32、33、34、35、36、37、38、39、40、41、42、43、44、45、46、47、48、49、50、51、52、53、54、55、56、57、58、59、60、61、62、63、64、65、66、67、68、69、70、71、72、73、74、75、76、77、78、79、80、81、82、83、84、85、86、87、88、89、90、91、92、93、94、95、96、97、98、99、100、101、102、103、104、105、106、107、108、109、110、111、112、113、114、115、116、117、118、119、120、 121、 122、 123、 124、 125、 126、 127、 128、 129、 130、 131、 132、 133、 134、 135、 136、 137、 138、 139、 140、 141、 142、 143、 144、 145、 146、 147、 148、 149、 1